it's me Chinchu. This is a requested video of Ashif Sharma. The topic is how to get into a really good company for practical training. I have already done this video in Malayalam and I have uploaded it. Considering the request of Ashif, as he can't understand my mother tongue, I'm doing this again particularly in English, and I thought this would be some kind of help to the non-Keralites. So let's get started. First of all, I'll give a brief intro into this course. CMA, Course Management Accountant. It consists of 3 stages: CMA Foundation, CMA Inter and CMA Final. Once you clear the second stage, that is CMA Intermediate, you need to undergo practical training in order to be eligible for the final examinations. And earlier these were 6 months practical training requirement, but it has changed as per the latest update. It is 15 months of training experience required for you to be eligible to appear for your final examinations. I'm gonna share with you guys how I got into BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited in Delhi, and undergone practical training for approximately 1 year. I got the certificate for 1 year with 9 months working and 3 months leave, and I'll explain the entire procedures in detail. First of all, just type practical training CMA in a Google Chrome and see the results. In second or third option, it would be institute site, ICAI site directly. Okay, click on that and you will be directly taken into the practical training page of CMA Institute. There, towards the left side, towards the left bottom side, there is an options PCA registered for training. Click on that, then you will be provided with the search options and city options. Type your city, which all city you want or whichever region you really want to work. Just type it on and search. You will be provided with lots and lots of employment opportunities in that particular region with their complete details, their email ID, employer's name, their address, everything. What you really need to do is just copy that ID, mail ID, and into that ID just send a mail along with your resume or CV. In that you have to mention about yourself, your number of attempts or your percentage of marks. Whatever things you can just mention into it in order to make it a bit more impressive. You can do that. And along with that, if you want, you can attach your certificates or your achievements, your records and all. It's not a mandatory condition. Literally, you are sending them requests for industrial training. And lots of options are available, and I'm not guaranteeing you that you'll be getting a positive response from all of them. It depends on the luck, efforts and our percentage and how impressive our CV is. It really depends on that. Even I have sent to more than 10 companies and got positive response from almost 4 of them, and one among them was BHEL Delhi, and it's been such a great company I didn't have to think twice before choosing that. I had waited for how long I don't exactly remember. I think I have waited for almost 10 days. Within 10 days I got a positive response that my CV is shortlisted and they were asking me to attend my interview. And in those days I was in Kerala. I went to Delhi especially for that particular interview, and once the interview was over, they informed me within the next week that joining date is this and that, and they sent me the offer letter. I joined there for 1 year, and that's how I got that particular job or that particular training experience. So this is it. If you are not getting any positive response within few days, don't sit back and regret that I haven't received any kind of positive response from any of them. It's a time consuming process. It might take a few days, couple of weeks or even 1 month. It takes its own time. So just send to maximum options available in front of you and have patience, wait a bit, you will get it for sure. So this is the whole story. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. In case of any doubts or any suggestions, you can drop it down in the comment section. And till then, take care. Bye bye.